friends, welcome back to the another episode of Parvinder Singh Cooking. Now today I make a Gourd sweet for you, which is very popular in India and China. Dear friends, I make a restaurant style foods and recipes for you in a very simple way, which are out from our home like college students. Gourd contains a low calories and high fiber, so it is very good for our human body and very good for digestion. The another name of Gourd is BENINCASA HISPIDA, is a unique name and is mostly available in India and China. Gourd is low in calories, carbs and protein, yet it's rich in fiber and antioxidants to promote our health and protect from various types of diseases. Friends, today I tell you some benefits of Gourd. Gourd is good for the detoxifying the kidney of human body. Gourd complements ketogenic diets and it is good for our human bodies and good for kidneys. So friends, I, without wasting a time, make a Gourd sweets for you.
Hello friends, now gorgeous yummy Gourd sweets for you. Gourd is mainly found in India and China. Gourd contains low calorie, high fiber and high water content and may help improve our digestion and promote a healthy body weight. Now I cut the Gourd in a small pieces with the help of knife. I cut the 2 kg of Gourds in a small pieces and take a pan and use 2 cups of water in a pan and add 2 spoons of chalk or liming, 2 kgs of Gourds and 2 spoons of chalk and 2 cups of water. Marinates for 12 hours. After 12 hours, chalk marinated Gourd is washed. After washing a Gourd, I cooked Gourd sweets in an electric heater for 40 minutes and add 2 cups of water in a pan. I tell you some benefits of Gourd friends. It accelerates weight loss, enhances digestive systems and it is good to detoxify the kidneys and complements ketogenic diet and it is good for our body. Gourd is a rich source of dietary fiber to aid in digestion. It also has significant amount of vitamin C and antioxidant which improves skin and hair health. I cooked Gourd sweets in a pressure cooker mode for 40 minutes. Gourd sweet is popular in India and China and I add 1 kg of sugar in a as gourd pan and cooked for 40 to 45 minutes. The another name of gourd is BENINCASA. HISPIDA is a unique melon eaten mostly in India and China. Now I add a 1 kg of sugars in a gourd marinated pan and cooked for 40 to 45 minutes. Dear friends, I cooked gourd sweets in a low medium flame for 40 to 45 minutes for better result. I tell you, the another benefits of gourd is, friends, its juice is a great detoxifying agent and it's best consumed early morning, and this juice can absorb all the toxins, germs and contaminations that may have accumulated in one body through the course of a day. Dear friends, after 40 minutes the color changes into light yellow, and it means it is well cooked. My dear friends, some pieces of gourd sweet is not well cooked, so I take a extra 5 minutes and cooked again for 5 minutes extra. Dear friends, some another benefits of gourd is it is low in calories, fats, carbs and protein, yet it's rich in fiber and antioxidants that are believed to promote our health and helps protect our body from diseases. Wow, now yummy gourd sweets for you friends. Dear friends, gourd is a versatile addition to soups and salads. It can also be baked, fried, candied or used to make ketchup, jams, juice and desserts. Thank you for watching Parvinder Singh Cooking.